Hey, I'm Ty. This is my girlfriend Cam, and this is our van Vanellope. In 2020, we sold all our stuff, quit our jobs, moved into the van, and started traveling full time. Subscribe to see how we gallivant around this crazy world.
Is it cool up there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Everything's clean on the inside of there.
It's always a lovely surprise finding out that
Broke.
oh, half of the fucking oil spilt out in our whole pantry by slipping on the oil and cutting my toe open. Oh.
Baja, California, sir. Yeah, I made it.
Finally.
And look at this haul, fresh veg, baby.
Yeah, finally we have our veg. The past couple days we've been eating just potatoes, PB&J, and toast.
So now we have some fresh veg.
Yeah, so yay.
And this was like
and some coffee.
$23.
It was only $23 for
All of this.
all of this.
Oh shit. The cashier was coughing a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, look how cute our fruit basket is.
Fruit basket is
Well, our
stocked.
veggie
Fridge
bag.
is stocked and locked. Hell yeah.
Yay.
Now we're gonna head towards, well, we gotta get gas, and then we're gonna head towards Mulege. It's this little oasis town. It's gonna be one of the furthest drives we're gonna have to make.
Yeah, like 3 hours.
And we're not gonna make it all the way there today, but yeah, that's where we're on our way to. Oh, last night we met some friends.
Yeah, we met some people. Well, they got stuck in the sand, so we helped them out.
So we helped push them out. We dug them out a little bit, got them out, and then chilled and smoked with them. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
One dude, his name is Remy, and he's from France. And then his girlfriend is Clau.
I don't know.
Clau? And she's from Mexico City. Yeah, so they're kind of going to be heading the same way we will, so we'll probably end up seeing them again, which is cool.
Yeah.
It's cool to have some friends.
Finally.
It's a pretty big city, honestly.
Yeah. I didn't expect it.
It's the most developed city for sure. One of them that we've seen.
Yeah, for sure.
Got no idea. It's a hose for sure.
Yeah, bury your lane in it.
Yeah. I don't know what else to do. I can't tell where exactly it's coming from.
So, just a little update.
It's fixed. We think.
Well, our gas tank was leaking, obviously, as you saw when we were stopped. So we went to the closest mechanic, and these guys didn't speak any English. We know tiny bit of Spanish,
So bad.
close to none, basically. But so it was a long process, longer because we didn't know what each other was saying. But they were so nice.
Yeah,
Their
way
friend
nice.
offered us
Yeah.
beers. Their family gave us a bunch of asparagus.
A shitload, like
At
5
first-
packs of big
yeah.
ass packs.
At first they offered us taquitos,
Oh yeah.
and we said that we don't eat meat, and then they gave us asparagus to take
just
home
gave
and
us
cook.
asparagus.
They were so nice. They were cool, even though we couldn't understand each other.
We were still joking around with each
You
other.
were still, yeah.
It was really, honestly, a great experience.
It was, yeah. It was awesome. So, 3 hours later,
We're fixed.
We're
and
back on
headed
the
back
road.
to where we need to go.
hopefully, no more gas leaks.
Yeah. Fuck.
Fuck. Oh, good morning. Merry
Good morning.
Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve. Merry cannabis tree.
What?
Cannabis tree.
I don't know if we said this yesterday, but we realized that we only have like how much bucks? How much? Like $35 in pesos.
Probably not even that.
Yeah. So, which usually,
You just need to have a good amount on you.
yeah, because nobody really takes Visa or like cards.
Yeah, not as much.
Especially gas, and gas takes. We usually have to spend like,
50 to 60 bucks.
yeah, which we only have like 35 right now. So let's hope this bank we go to has an ATM to give us pesos,
Yeah.
so we're not stranded with gas somewhere.
That's, we made it to Mulege.
They're so tiny.
You think?
Yeah. Just do it slowly and get as far over.
I don't think so,
Yeah, we're fine. Damn, that probably must have been when I was like, did you hear that? It sounded like a gunshot. Wasn't that here? Was that here?
No, that was this morning. Pretty sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this a one-way road?
Is it only this way? Okay, I'll flip
Oh,
around. I'll flip
okay.
around. Okay. Christmas season dinner we're having.
With
Stir
some
fry.
with some Christmas
Christmas
lo-fi jazz.
But we're gonna do some extra tofu tonight. How about
Extra
that?
tofu.
It's Christmas. Why not? Treat yourself. All right.
Shout out to our new friends for grabbing me some wine while they were in town. Yummy.
It's twice today. I hit my head like a fucking. Ugh. Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Right here, we got our Christmas Eve din-din next to the ocean that you could probably hear. Our favorite, what's it called? Stir fry?
Just stir fry, tofu stir fry.
Stir fry, tofu stir fry with veggies and rice. Yummy. And wine and beer.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler.
Merry Christmas. Christmas. Merry Christmas.
We're making up some panclocks. Christmas Cheermeister panclocks.
Yeah.
And our Cheermeister
Coffee.
Baja.
With some nutmeg.
Already coffee.
Ooh, that's tasty.
So, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Now.
So, looks like we're not having pancakes after all. Oh, that's so funny.
I'm still gonna eat this.
Ew, no you're not.
Why not?
Look at that.
We'll let it all get crispy.
What am I supposed to eat?
Let's try it again.
To be fair, we do not have the correct almond flour. All we have is almond flour. So we were trying to.
It's probably gonna be good.
We were trying to make pancakes out of it because we don't use it for anything else.
Maybe we need to throw more flour in there.
Yeah.
Grab it.
Okay. How is it?
The flavor's good. We just gotta figure out how to keep it in a right shape. I don't know how. We'll throw a little bit of maple syrup on here.
It smells like a cookie and looks like a cookie.
Kind of tastes like a cookie.
I don't know, it just kind of looks like it's scary.
We could probably mash a banana up and throw it in there.
How about like chia seeds or something?
We could do a little bit of chia seeds. Yeah, we'll do something here. Let's see.
Okay. So this is how round 2 went.
These are breakfast patties.
Was that the chocolate melted?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll stick with toast.
I threw another banana in these ones, so in the next round, maybe that'll help.
Oh,
Is it cold?
it smells like nothing.
Doesn't come out very fast, huh?
No. Oh. Ah, it's so cold with the wind.
There ain't no Planet Finishes in Mexico, so this is what we got. We got rolling here.
Oh my god.
Cha-ching! Save me some water. Playing speed.
Playing speed, cause we hate our phone.
Yeah, no more phone time.
No more phone time.
Cam's been kicking my ass.
On the door! Oh my god!
How big is it really?
It's like, I
it
am
now?
not touching that. That's like a baby tarantula.
What? Is he staying there?
It's fuzzy. Oh my god, I don't know. Holy shit.
You get it with a paper towel or something?
No way. That's not a paper towel type of thing.
A cup?
No, he's like in the crack of the door.
Where?
Like the rim of like the...
As long as he's standing right there for now.
Ah.
Oh,
Look at those.
so big.
Oh, it does not want to budge.
There he goes, there he goes.
Gee,
Make sure he goes all the way out.
I don't know where he is.
He's right here.
You just
Bring me up the next ingredients, miss.